Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to worry less. Hey, it's Misty with Epiphany Productivity and Accountability, and I am here to help you live a more positive, abundant life. And one of the ways that I can do that is by helping you to recognize that it's okay to worry less. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Whenever you find yourself worrying, the first thing that you should do is just calm down. Take a couple of deep breaths and just calm down. The second thing that I want you to do is to actually notice what you're worrying about. A lot of times we start to magnify the situation by adding on all of these unnecessary worries. So just identify the actual situation that you're worried about, and let's only focus on that for 1 second. Number 3 is probably one of my favorites. Embrace the uncertainty. It's okay not to know what's going to be the outcome of what you're worrying about. Number 4 is to be present in the moment. I've talked about Eckhart Tolle before, and one of the videos that I had been watching him in, and he was talking about to a person about that they were worried about their bills and that they could not pay their bills. And he said, why are you worrying about the bills? You're still not going to be able to pay them even if you're worrying about them, and all you're doing is causing more stress and more angst in your life and in the circumstance by worrying about all the repercussions of not paying that bill, like adding on a late fee and all those things that we do to ourselves. And he said, just be present in the moment. Just be here and now. And to me, that goes back to our number 1. Just calm down and take a couple of deep breaths and focus on what the actual problem is and not all the rest of the circumstances. And then embrace that. You can't pay that bill right now, and it's going to be okay. It always turns out okay. Another something that always comes to me when I am worrying is the advice that my dad has given me over and over and over again. And when he said to me when I was very young, is it really going to matter in 10 years? And most of the time, it hasn't. All that stress was for absolutely nothing. So stop wasting time on worrying and stressing and just be present. And finally, number 5 is just to face that fear or to let it go. Either tackle it head first and eliminate it, or realize that there's nothing you can do about it and just let it go. I hope that these 5 simple steps that don't seem so simple right now were helpful to you today and letting go of some worry. I'm here for you every single day, Monday through Friday. And if you would love to hear more content, we would love to produce it for you. I need you to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a comment down below on what kinds of things that you would like for us to talk about. And until tomorrow, happy manifesting.